In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it. If you want to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this gear at the top left corner, manage all of those options however you want to, and click on the top right corner. Then bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, apply, and home screen or home screen and lock screen. When you finish, just close your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!